I got something super cool that I'm putting on Flossy today. A train horn. Found this at AutoZone. Nice little air horn, dual tone, complete kit, air compressor, two horns. Got the airline, instructions. Got a relay, some more parts in there. I'm probably going to hook up to the factory horn button on the steering wheel and not have any other horn. Alright, so first step, I'm going to mount the actual horns and compressor. I'm thinking right here, passenger side firewall. And it looks something like that. I think it's going to be good. The instructions say to have the open end of the horn facing towards the ground, so water and dirt won't get up inside the horns, and also blows down onto the ground to where it'll sound waves will bounce off of the ground and spread out into a louder sound. The compressor, go right over there. There's already a hole there for it. So I'm going to start by drilling 2 holes and mount the horns, then screw on the compressor. Now I'm going to start mounting the trumpets. This has a slot here. Take a bolt like that. The spacer goes down. The keyhole actually locks in, and then thread the nut on. Firewall in between right there. So, you get these mounted up. Now for the compressor, it needs a ground wire. So I'm just going to run wire off of that, looped around, onto an eyelet, onto the bolt that attached it to the firewall. That'll give me a ground. I have the power wire coming out an already existing hole here. Put a rubber eyelet on it. Now I got to cut this to length. Put a crimp-on eyelet on it. And we will be almost ready to test it out. Alright, here is the wire coming out from the button on the steering wheel, coming out of the steering box. There's the wire to the relay on my fuse panel. So I'm going to get those 2 wires connected. Those 2 wires are hooked up. Now I'm going to show you guys how this wiring system works. So the power wire that I have running to the compressor. Good night. Thunderstorm in Pennsylvania in February. Just a little side note. Audio might get kind of weird up here then. But, so, compressor is constantly grounded. And then the power wire, when the key's on, is dead. There's no power. Because of the relay, just hooked up inside. Let me grab a light. Up there. When that grounds, connects, runs power into the power wire. And the way that grounds is inside the steering This button here, that metal plate, connects, this is the wire for the ground, and when this plate pushes down and connects from that to the steering column, it connects, creates a ground, pops the relay, it connects, and now sends power to the compressor and makes it make noise. So all the wiring is done. The horns and compressor are mounted. Look pretty cool. Probably gonna put some coating, probably some electrical tape on those wires to protect them. But now I have to hook up the air lines. So this kit comes with some clear, flexible line and a Y fitting. Well, the horn is completely mounted, all done. Looks super cool. Got the wires wrapped up in some electrical tape. So now, time to do a little test ripski. See what happens. That sounds so cool. Awesome. Yep. People hear that, if they don't get out of the way, they're getting run over. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.